Richie Ruckus Beats.
Going on YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Friday, September 21st. We are one day away from the fall season. As many of you guys know, I am a humongous sucker for fall. Mainly October, as I am a Halloween fanatic, and my birthday is in October. Last day of Libra, bang bang bang, Libra gang. I'm not going to keep you guys in too much suspense. It's Friday. Payday, so you know I had to stop over and give the good folks at Lapstone Hammer some business. I got two pair of sneakers today. We're going to unbox the one in this video, do a review, go give you guys an on foot look, and then I'll be back tomorrow to review the second pair of sneakers. Kind of thinking of a different direction for the video for tomorrow. It's a sneaker that's timeless and is not a new release, nothing new. So we're going to try to get the creative juices flowing before we jump into doing a video on that sneaker. Speaking of Lapstone and Hammer, next Friday, September 28th, is their collab with the Diet Starts Monday, which if you guys don't know, it's John Geiger and Dave. Their company is a clothing company, and they're doing a collab and release at Lapstone and Hammer next Friday. If I have all my facts right, Friday is the party, but the release of the product release will be both Friday and Saturday in store at Lapstone and Hammer. So if you're in the Philadelphia area, I do highly suggest stopping by and checking out the drop. I most definitely will be in the building on Friday. But without further ado, let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Don C Air Jordan Legacy 312 in that black and white colorway. And I'll be honest, when images of this sneaker first leaked, mainly the earlier colorways that they did of this sneaker, I thought the concept and the idea of this was so dope. I know a lot of people hate the silhouette. It's the mashup of the Jordan 1. You got the elephant print from the Jordan 3. You got the Jordan 3 sole, the Jordan 1 upper, and then you have the strap from the Bo Jackson sneaker from the SC Trainer. The previous colorways that they did, especially the first, I think it was the first three. Colorways inspired by previous Nike sneakers. You had the Medicine Ball, you had the Lava Tech Challenge, Woody Harrelson colorway of his sneaker that he wore in White Men Can't Jump. But, I didn't dislike them, it just... And then you had the Storm Blue. I think they did a Storm Blue one. It's just, this silhouette, I think, although it's, a mashup and very iridescent of a Jordan Spizike and, like some of them off-brand Jordan sneakers that they do. But I thought this colorway was super dope. And when I seen that these were dropping the $150 price tag, I thought these were going to be a little bit harder to get. Especially because the first ones, as much hate as they caught, sold out very fast, and then they did a few restocks, and I think you can get some of the other colorways that are now sitting. You got this clean black colorway, you got the gray elephant print right here, almost grayish, off-whitish swoosh. The Jordan branding is black on the collar. You got the Jordan Air logo on the back pull tab, which is white. You have the strap from the Bo Jackson, which is blacked out with that white Nike font, and then you have Nike Air on the tongue. Lastly, you have the sole from the Jordan 3. And I just thought this colorway, if I was going to grab this sneaker, it was going to be this colorway. And when I went to Lapstone Hammer for a totally unrelated reason today, seeing this sitting on shelf, and then after seeing it in hand, I was like, you know what? This sneaker actually is pretty dope. I mean, this isn't something I'm going to rock regularly. This may actually just kind of go into the stash, into the vault for nostalgia's sake, because I'm a big fan of what Don C does, and I'm a big fan of the Jordan 1 and 3, or my two, Jordan 1, Jordan 3, and the Air Max 1, you guys know, are my three favorite sneakers of all time. So, seeing 2/3 of my favorite sneakers mashed up on one sneaker, and it being somewhat aesthetically pleasing, I had to jump on it. And I think the best way to sum up this sneaker is it's a black cement 3 and a Jordan 1 shadowish, kind of just thrown together. Because this white that they're calling this has got to be, the colorway's got to be gray, right? They're calling it the colorway black white. That swoosh to me looks damn near a very faint gray. It's definitely a white, pull tab. The sole's definitely white, but the quality on these is not bad either. You got leather throughout the whole upper, then you got the plastic Nike strap, and then the only thing that's, the collar is kind of like neoprene. It's not leather like it would traditionally be on a Jordan 1 collar, but I thought they were dope. I think the quality is good, and I'm going to, try to incorporate these, as best as I can this fall season, because I feel like this is a good sneaker for fall. But like I said, I mainly wanted this for nostalgic reasons, just being a fan of Don C. And you guys know the Jordan 2s he did, the resale on them is crazy. And I couldn't get, either colorway in my size when they dropped. And like I said, just being a fan of the Jordan 1, Jordan 3, and the Bo Jackson trainer, and being a fan of Don C, the sneaker was kind of a no-brainer for me. I'm going to do the on full for you guys, but they're $150. I did try them on. I definitely would go true to size. I am traditionally an 8.5 in Nike and in Jordan, and I got these in an 8.5, and I tried them on in the store, and they were actually super comfortable. It's weird. I don't know if it's the Jordan 1 upper with the Jordan 3 sole, but these feel more comfortable to me than a Jordan 1 or a Jordan 3. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy, and maybe I'm getting a little nostalgic and letting that, alter my train of thought here. But we're going to go do the on foot. I'll be back tomorrow with another video for you guys. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus Beats. Richie Ruckus Beats.